His eyes, glazed with a thick layer of internal conflict like the cataracted eyes of a wise man who's seen wars and revolutions and love across the ages. That was probably a red flag. Romanticized, but when I looked into them, I saw promise and loyalty, character through the pain and all that guilt, the yearning for his soul to be understood and loved without filters and euphemized explanations of who he has become or is supposed to be. Our connection unlocked new processes of transformation in our being, awoke corpses of thought that have been buried by seas of calm, love, and comfort in a forecasted future, illuminated parts of that big heart that had been dormant for so long. He's like my favorite book whose pages know my fingerprints, whose words make me wish I was a character. Stirring. He's a page turner, the kind of book you would rather fall asleep reading than put down, the one that makes you long for the end of the day so you can get into bed and immerse yourself in, each chapter leaving you enlightened and inquisitive, curious and eager to uncover truth and pain, struggles and demons, light and hope, love and ambitions. He made me realize how asleep I had been. He awoke parts of me I thought I needed to hide away, reminded me that I'm worthy of being embraced and celebrated. It was in the way he kissed me for the first time that I realized how much he needed to say, but couldn't because of the societal rules of love and how they had made him believe that he shouldn't feel the way he was feeling, especially not about me. So intensely, so purposefully, and lingering into what a forever like that could feel like. His lips pressed themselves against mine like poetry written for my heart and body's own language, but it wasn't supposed to feel that way, was it? It wasn't supposed to complicate things like this. But it's too strong to ignore. It was a long life before we met this feeling, and it would be an even longer one if we tried to forget it after we've only seen its beginning. My mind will always treasure him and keep the magic safe, even if my heart can't have him. If I knew how love was fought for, I'd be up in arms to fight to win, but I'm not familiar with the rules of Cupid's combat, so I'll let his heart speak its own truth. But he'll always be the rose to my sunflower.